Hey everybody, Rena Wren here, and I am coming to you today with options for Camel Pose for prenatal yoga. This really builds on the previous video on Cobra Pose. So I'll show you a few different options, but we're working in the same area with really lifting, making the ribcage long, opening, creating space, sending the shoulder blades back, and really getting some exercise and movement and opening in the thoracic area. Several different ways that we can do that here. One of my favorite ones is to sit on the floor. If you have students that are comfortable sitting on the floor, you can do this. And sometimes it's nice to have options around the room for different students to be on different levels. So I will show you all these different ones today that will give you a lot of options. So one thing that you can do, first off, is sitting on knees. Let's do that first. And really just breathing in and out. I like this because it creates a lot of length in the spine. Another option, if knees don't feel good doing that, would be to sit up on a block. And knees could be apart, making a little more room for baby. So breathing in and out, and then the arms circle back. That helps open the shoulder head. And then just lean back, and you can see how much space that creates in the lumbar, in the thoracic, and I'm not even bringing the lumbar really that much into it. I'm just getting all of this thoracic movement. Chin can tip up a little. Breathing in and out. So let me show you that option without the block. It's a little less, because there's less room between the student and the floor. But here, and fingertips, I've just got my fingertips tented, leaning back, chest and heart, lift up, breathing in and breathing out. If students don't like the knee version, you could always do this seated, just regular easy pose, or feet out with legs apart or legs together, but for prenatal, usually as pregnancy progresses, apart is good. And then the same thing you could do here, or you could lean back onto the elbows. And that is really nice as well, breathing in and out here. And then chin comes forward first. And I like to rock left and right to come back up. And then also for this one, so many options here today. You can use a stability ball. If you have these, if you teach prenatal yoga very often, the stability balls are amazing, the balance balls. It's so good for so many reasons for prenatal yoga, but it really just lets them feel like they're sitting on the air. There's a lot of ease there. It's a little bit of a balance issue, but that's okay because that works the transverse abdominis, and we know those are the muscles that help push baby out. So here, just reach back, and then same thing, chest opens, maybe the chin lifts up. I'll show you that from the side. So you want to have their heels about under their knees, and knees can be a little wider apart if that feels better. And then tented fingers, hands come around, shoulders go down, and they're really just getting this movement in the thoracic spine. So good for prenatal yoga. Then you can also do this seated in a chair. I'll show you from the side. So what I would do is have them move closer to the edge of the chair, knees apart a bit, make room for baby. Hands can go here, really just getting a gentle opening there. Or could reach even further back, maybe to the back of the chair and rest on the palms. Breathing in and out. But in all of these options, you can see we're accomplishing a lot of the same things that we do in regular yoga with these postures, but we're really supporting the prenatal student. So I hope this has been helpful for you today to see all these options for Camel for prenatal yoga. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.